So many serums, so many skincare items on the market. It's like, which one's good? We're trying to find out whether this is worth the money. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you whether you should or should not be buying the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. If you're not sure how to use this product, I'll also show you how you can integrate it into your skincare routine and your makeup routine as well. And then guys, I wanna share the ingredients in this product. There's some sneaky little ingredients in here that I wanna tell you about. Also, if you're not sure whether this will be good for your skin type, I'll tell you who this product is gonna be right for. So for all my sensitive acne prone babies and even my dry skin babies, stay tuned and this one's for you. This is the Glow Serum by Beauty of Joseon, guys. If you're not familiar with this brand, they are Korean. They have a very cute, pretty, beautiful, calm, serene vibe about them. They do a really good job with their branding, but that's besides the point. I have been trying this out for the past 2 months and I can tell you my full thoughts and feelings. Okay, let me first tell you that I put this on before I go to bed. So what I do is I will use this in conjunction with my other Beauty of Joseon products. By the way, if you guys want to see a review on the moisturizer, the Dynasty Cream, or the Red Bean Water Gel, then I actually have a whole playlist with just Beauty of Joseon, and I will put that right here for you guys. But I use those things all together. And this is what I think about this. So I will put this on before I go to bed. I put this on first, then I put my moisturizer. When I wake up, my skin is plump. My skin is juicy, my skin is hydrated and wet. Sometimes I find that these little smile lines start to creep in if I am not moisturizing, and it's just like under my makeup, it's like cracking, and it's kind of like sometimes gets like a little bit of like coloration around it even. And this really helps keep it at bay, especially these lines here. I mean, right now they look pretty good because I have just been keeping up with my skincare with all these products, but this to me is like the glue that holds it together. So at first, you're gonna feel a little bit wet, a little bit oily, like it's an oil, you know, it's a serum, what do you expect? Okay, it comes in a dropper just like this. It also comes in glass. It's plastic. For this entire time, I thought this was glass. Okay, so it comes in a plastic. We can overlook that because this product is amazing. It has propolis and niacinamide. Niacinamide is really good for keeping oils at bay. It helps moisturize your skin and it doesn't leave you greasy or oily. Okay, so it says it has 60% propolis, and propolis is gonna help you with your enlarged pores. And I actually love to hear this. It says, as a fat-soluble exfoliant, BHA 0.5% helps to remove sebum and waste accumulated in pores. Have you guys seen those like pore extraction videos? That's kind of what it's giving. That's kind of what it's reminding me of. So I love to think that like my skincare is working. They're taking their shovels. It's on my skin. It's like in the pores and like removing the waste as I'm doing whatever the heck else I'm doing during the day. So I'd like to hear that my skincare is working for me. But yeah, guys, this is going to be cruelty-free, fragrance and essential oil free. And one of the key ingredients is honey in this. So it's going to be really anti-inflammatory. I remember when I was a kid and I would bruise myself or hit my head or whatever, my dad would come in and slather honey on that thing just to make the inflammation go down. So honey is a proven anti-inflammation ingredient. So if you are the type to have maybe like some acne that's under the skin and it's just like, oh, and it's just killing you and it's hurting, this is really gonna help keep that inflammation at bay and some of that kind of like in those painful areas. Okay, this is who I picture this product being perfect for. Let's say you have oily skin, right? Let's say you have a lot of acne and it's like painful, and sometimes you have really dry areas like you're flaky. I think this is gonna be perfect for you because it's anti-inflammatory with honey. It's gonna control your sebum and it's gonna give you moisture in those areas with the niacinamide and the propolis that is going to help you with those like drier areas. So damn, that being said, I don't have any of those issues. I more so have like dry and kind of like some fine lines and like I need plumping. It also helps with that too. Less important, but can we just talk about the packaging? Even the carton itself is gorgeous. It comes in kind of like, it feels kind of like recycled paper. Look at this, it's like so elegant and so beautiful. And when you pop it open, you get this gorgeous bottle. This is one of those things that you're gonna wanna put on your vanity because it's so pretty. It's not glass, but it is pretty. Anyways, so when you put this on, let me show you what it looks like on the skin because guys, you can, if you are not, you can wear this without foundation because it just evens the skin, makes you look hydrated, dewy, yum, yum, yum. Or you can use this at night, whatever floats your boat. So I'm just putting like a little drop in my hand. And if you guys want to see what it looks like on the skin, do you see that glass-like finish it gives you? It's like a beautiful, and just, I love to just like press it into my eye, my under eye area, just to kind of move the blood flow just gently, nothing too crazy. But it's so slippery that you can even take one of those jade rollers, or if you have a gua sha, I'm Mexican. and Canadian, and just like put it everywhere, and look at that. That's what I mean, guys. Like you should wear this out. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. And my skin is feeling so plump and juicy and hydrated. I love the combination of all the skincare products that I have by Beauty of Joseon. So if you guys want to check out the other products, then I will put a playlist for you guys right over here. They got some good products for really inexpensive, guys. Like, I don't know how they pull it off. This is kind of giving luxury. It looks luxury, it feels luxury, but for a fraction of the price. So we like that. So if you are on the fence about whether you should buy this or not, I think you should, because it's good for any skin type and it is pretty inexpensive. So now, I always like to cap off my videos by saying, like, don't run out and get it. Consumerism is like pretty crazy right now. Like, we don't need all these things. As much as I like to talk about products on this channel, I think like we gotta really keep things into perspective. I stand by this product. I think it's amazing. I think it's gentle. I think it's inexpensive, good for the skin. Love that it's cruelty free. So all the things combined. And yeah, I think that's it. I think I covered everything that I wanted to say. I will leave this product link down in the description box below if you do want to get it. Other than that, guys, I will see you next week. Peace.